going on, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Fast, and today you join me for the reveal of Project 7. Yeah, you know what Project 7 means. Well, I'm going to show you that in a sec, but obviously, you join me at the unit. It's not in the unit anymore, it's a dealership. Quickly do your little walk around. So we've got a couple satin blacks, Mercedes, C43, A45. This thing looks really nice, man. This is the kind of tint that I wanted on my bloody M3 Touring, but I went and got some jet black tints done on mine. We've got a 600 horsepower M4, Focus RS Mark II. Got the Scooby back there, my M140. EV wanker here. Don't know who owns that. We also have a 993 brake horsepower G80 M3. This car has had a full stage 3 package. I actually had the CS alloys put on, genuine from BMW. She may already be on the website. This car is sick. Or it may even be gone, I don't even know. Anyway, listen, I know you don't want to hear the waffle. You want to see Project 7. I know that's what you want to see, innit? You want to know what B58 powered car a man like Ricky's bought, so let's do this. So here she is, people. Oh, fuck me. My BMW 114i, let me tell you, this is no joke. Listen, I'm not violating the thing right now. Believe it or not, every last thing is coming off this car, which is why I'm taking the piss. But, Spud, am I going to be able to get down, bruv? Kneecaps! Oh, mate. So, look, I'm not trying to violate it. I know you're like, oh, look at Ricky taking the piss now. So, look, this is going to be the base of a seriously fast car. It's a 114i. I paid 1,850 quid, and let me tell you, she's gonna be a flying machine. The reason I'm saying 7 seconds, because the engine that's going in it is a 7-second capable engine, which you see in America, all the A90 Supras, same spec engine. We're also gonna be doing a 4-wheel drive kit, billet transfer case, obviously race torque converter. We're also coming with a big fat turbo kit, 4-wheel drive, lightweight wheel suspension. Every last component will be removed from this car. So some of you are probably thinking, Ricky, why didn't you just do your M140? Now the reason for that is because that made no financial sense. I've already spent a ton of money on that car. It made much more business sense to just sell it to the company, give you the chance to win it. It made sense to release some money and actually invest it into this project. So let me tell you, this is gonna be my true Mexico car. Touring's gonna be quick, but this is gonna be another level. Big problem coming for people right now. Everything's coming out, B58 engine's going straight into this. And let me tell you, she's gonna be very quick. We're aiming high. We want 7 seconds, but if we can go deep 8s in the quarter mile, I'm happy. And have a look there, Spuden. Made in Germany, 114i. And look at the cabin, look at this, bro. 1,850 quid. Are you kidding me right now? This is an M140. For anybody that's followed me on YouTube, watched any of my car features, even the first drive on my M140, I've always said that an M140 is based on a bog standard 114i. As I say, the only difference is it's got a 3-litre single turbocharged engine, different wheels, suspension and brakes. Apart from that, the chassis is exactly the same. All the parts are interchangeable, which is why I bought a donor car. Makes way more financial sense. How much funnier is it going to be the fact that this is a 114i? Man's getting gapped in a 114i. And you know what? This is the first project that I was going to not speak, not say anything, but you know what? I have to document it, I have to speak. It makes it more exciting for you guys to follow. That's the 114i, Project 7. My shop must be crapping it right now. Like, yo, shit, we've got to do 7, yeah? Obviously, you'll find out who's doing the work shortly. You saying, Simon?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is that my new car there?
It certainly is, yeah. You're a lucky man.
I'll be honest with you, like, I'm not a huge classic guy, but I love my BMs, isn't it? So it's a resto mod, you call it, yeah?
Yeah.
2002.
Yep.
You've had it 9 years first.
I've had it 9 years. The chap I bought it off, I'd bought it with the intention of doing something similar to what I've done. It sat in his parents' barn for 12 or 13 years, untouched.
Wow.
So I took it from there.
Look at that cabin. We've got a nice Alcantara steering wheel. Is it 4-speed or 5-speed?
4-speed.
4-speed manual. It's a 1502 like you're saying, but it's actually got the turbo body on it,
It's got
right?
the turbo body kit, yeah. So basically the shell is exactly the same. It's just that it's got these wide arches on, front and rear spoilers. 2.1 litre. It's got a 304 strict camshaft in it. It's got Ross racing pistons. It's got forged steel rods, lightning balance crank, twin 45 Weber carburetors, and a 123 Bluetooth distributor, so it's all mappable off your phone. Wow. You can even disable it as well, you know, like there's a security feature, you can just switch it off and it...
No, can't drive. Naturally aspirated.
That's it.
Can't beat it. Original BMW.
I just looked at the MOT certificate this morning. It's done 1 mile since August.
4 gears, what's that all about?
Oh, that's so weird. Because
You constantly think, oh no, no,
But what, the gear's long, or?
That's it. This is the out.
All right. How cool is that? It's moving, bro.
It's alright, isn't it? It's alright, bro.
Different beast to the Colton, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Moving now, bro. Four gears.
No way.
Naturally want to go fifth. Yeah, so the Colton was 1,400 kilos, 200 horsepower. This car's 900 kilos, 150. Obviously a freshly built engine. I think it said 5,000 miles. But the speed difference is ridiculous. Jeez. It turns in curves. This is sick. Rear wheel drive. Bro, this is the 6th gen. Tiny bit of movement, little bit of almost detachment, but bro, this is a 70s car. And we are on the brakes, believe it or not, right now. I'm like pushing them.
You was on the brakes?
Yeah, I was on the brakes, bro. Cars just not stopping, but if you smash them, they do stop. Steering wheel is just so heavy. There's no LSD. Man, like, wait. As I say, tiny bit of movement, not gonna lie. Going down to first.
This sounds unreal, man.
Weird, bro. Not a soul there, and it just like, what was it?
NPC.
NPC, yeah. Come on. Oh, she flies. No hands. That's the video, bro.
That's the video, man.
That's the video.
Nice.
We've got a D, Salvage Nation. Plug your thing in it so they know.
Yeah, so guys, Salvage Nation, we do salvage cars, stolen, recovered cars. We do conversions as of now. I done a massive job on an M140 conversion, what, about 4 or 5 months ago.
That's why I'm here, man. I see what you do, man.
I know. Listen, I just come from Aldi down the road,
Yeah.
picked up some new bits, but this car, when I picked this up, no one thought I could get it running again. Top spec, ceramic brakes, carbon pack,
It was a stolen car.
stolen, recovered, yeah.
Right.
And I managed to pick up the previous owner, saw the channel, saw the car. I've got the
You're
CCTV, I've got everything. That's my daily.
Sick. Sick. We'll show them the car. Car's inside, right?
Yeah, car's right around the back.
Yeah.
You dropped the car, what, a few days ago?
A couple of days ago,
We're
yeah.
going to be doing something crazy on that one, man.
Right, so we're in the garage. We've got the 114i, if any of you haven't seen it. We've actually already got a bonnet on there.
Yeah.
So you've probably seen some of the cutaways. We're actually doing a full M2 competition conversion to the exterior. I've already mentioned we're going to be obviously prepping the car for the B58.
Definitely.
But for the record, you've done this project before, right? So
Yep.
you know inside out, you
Yep.
can explain to people.
I had a 116i. I bought it, stripped it down, swapped over every single internal component, the wiring loom, every single module. Everything came out of that car. I retrofitted everything from an M140. I ended up getting a donor car. And by the end of it, you could not tell the difference.
I've said it many times in videos, you'll be able to clear it up.
Yeah.
It's an M140 is based on
Yeah, M140
Any other
is
1
based
Series,
on
basically.
any other F-Series chassis. Any 1 Series F20, F21 is based on the same chassis. So
all interchangeable parts, basically.
all interchangeable parts. They all bolt up the same.
Yeah.
They all align the same. Even like you said, the bonnet. Look at this is an M2
This is an M2
bonnet,
competition bonnet, yeah.
and this is on a pre-facelift.
Yeah.
Have a look at all the body lines are lining
Yeah.
up perfectly, right here, right there. Obviously, the gaps needs a little bit of adjustment, but you
Yeah,
get
yeah,
the
yeah.
idea. It's
Yeah,
kind
yeah.
of retrofitted onto this chassis.
So, as you can see down here, guys, we've got literally, when I say full M2 conversion, we're talking side skirts, M2 comp headlights. We're even going rear bumper. We're also doing one extra thing, which is the rear arches. So that's something that's not very common. A lot of people do the M2 front end without the headlights, but we're going rear bumper and rear arches. Idea being we can get a wider wheel on the car because we're obviously sending this car to the moon. What's the deal with the arches?
So I got my guy Akil here. Come on, bro.
Man, like Akil on that.
Yeah. Don't be
So
shy.
this is the plug, yeah.
Yeah, this is the plug.
Yeah.
Akil is gonna be.
You're gonna get the arches on, yeah.
Yeah.
Understand my English.
It's cool. It's cool.
But Akil, he's a master fabricator. He's
Yeah.
going to be cutting off these existing side panels.
Yeah.
We've got M2 side panels coming in. We're going to mold them. Like, it's going to complete custom job. We're going to be molding them onto the side of this car. He's going to weld them all in. And once
Bro,
we
I'm
bodywork
gassed.
it, it's going to be so smooth.
Yeah.
You're not even going to be able
Yeah.
to tell the difference. It's just going to be wide, aggressive, and it's going to have that M2 look. I got this out earlier
Yes.
just to show you. So this is the M2 comp
Yeah.
Speedos, right?
Yeah.
This has got all the information. It's digital, etc., etc. If you look under, there are 2 plugs. This one has only got 1 plug.
Right.
Now the second plug is actually it's a digital interface between this and the car.
Right.
So this is just an example. That old wiring loom is going to come out. I'm going to retrofit the wiring loom that suits these types of Speedos. Get everything in, and if everything goes to plan, which I'm sure it will, we should have a running working car based off of an M140 platform.
Guys, make sure you're following D, Salvage Nation. Link will be in the description. If you
Definitely.
want to follow the whole process, you know, all the details, it's going to be on his channel. I'm
Yeah.
going to probably come at some point, do a little update, maybe when the car's complete. And then obviously we'll look at what color we're going to spray the car.
For sure.
That's
Just
going
let
to be
me
pretty cool. D,
Thank you,
my
brother.
guy.
No worries, man.
Smashed it. So guys, I'm going to end the video there. Just a couple of updates. Firstly, M240i that I just bought. This is a little project car. I'm absolutely sending it to the moon. We're talking 1400 brake horsepower. This is only being documented via Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. Basically, portrait style content. Make sure you follow me there if you want to see what I do with this. Second update is my M3 Touring. She's nearly complete. Shout out to Gravitune. They've done all the fabrication work. We've adjusted the manifold, the wastegates. We now just need to install fuel pumps and then onto tuner. So that's going to be outside any second, people. Third update is the 2002 BMW that we just bought, which is going to be a giveaway car. Me and my business partner have decided we're going to keep it because that car is sick. All it needs is a V10. So anybody watching, if you can put a V10, we're talking maybe S85, doubt it's going to fit an engine bay, but anyone that specializes in this kind of stuff, give me a shout because we want a V10 swap, that 2002. I think it'd be absolutely sick. Last thing I want to mention as well is my 114i project. Make sure you're following D at Salvage Nation. The guy's like 10 videos in, yeah? He's documented everything. So in my world, I've seen the car, it looks sick. Full M2 conversion. He's just doing the arches now, actually. So make sure you're following him, Salvage Nation, link in the description. And yeah, look, this car is going to be serious, but the 114i, it's another level. Like, we want to get that lightweight, power to weight. There's going to be even more power. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.
Yo, what's a right or a left turn? Lamborghini make the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheel spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a bin, my man's buying German. Parkway I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We on